Hello! Today we are in Sigdal at my favorite track. Wet, somewhat wet, it had been raining. As you can see, I'm using more than one camera. I have a friend of me with a drone. He's new to it, so don't be too harsh. I also have a camera on my wrist. The wrist camera isn't a success. This track is, as you can see, not flat. It's a little bit of hills, it's quick turns. It's a nice track that isn't too hard on your body. The people work there and the owner is really nice, good service and everything. The equipment is well used but well maintained, so it's not a problem. It's good cars to drive. As you can see, I'm starting to lag a little bit behind two of my friends. We are 4 friends on the track today, mostly due to having problem getting traction on especially on the front wheels. With the wetness on the track and everything, I had a struggle with this one. Just the way it is, sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not. But in general, it's fun. It's only the second time I drive with this much wet track. Even this isn't bad. Last time I was here on a wet track, it was really raining. Sadly, I don't have any footage of it. Worth mentioning now, as we are closing to end of this, this cut track is fairly popular, but at the same time there is always room, so you don't have to book time ahead on a Saturday or on a Tuesday if you decide to go here. If you're a big group of people, might be an idea. We more or less never do. And the longest I have been waiting here is half an hour, 45 minutes-ish. So there is always room to drive. I will leave the webpage in the description. There will be a Heat 2 and a Heat 3 with a little bit of surprise in it. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, goodbye.